Hey guys, this is Kiran and in today's video I would like to talk about the day 2 of learning French language in 15 days and A1 level. That I will clarify your A1 level in the French language just in 15 days. Yes, you heard right, and for that you have to watch this video fully, and you can also watch the video day 1 of the A1 level in 15 days. So I will mention that video in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. So let's start this video, but before starting this video please do subscribe, like and share. So our today's topic will be the La Famille. La famille, the family, okay. La famille, the family, okay. Le père, the father. La mère, le père et la mère. La mère means that the mother, and the combination of both the words will be the parents, okay. Les parents, the parents. How we can call the baby in the French language? Le bébé. How we can call the son in the French language and the daughter in the French language? For the son we use le fils, and daughter we say that la fille, okay, le fils et la fille. Le grand-père, le grand-père et la grand-mère, the grandfather and the grandmother, okay. You have to add the grand, okay, grand between the le et père, et la grand between the la et la mère, okay, mère, okay. So you have to add the grand in between the le and the père, okay. And for the grandmother you have to add the grand between the la et la mère, okay. So that the combination of both the words will be the les grands-parents, okay, the grandparents. Then how we can call our husband in the French language? Le mari, and the wife la femme, and the children les enfants, okay. The last word of the les is ending with the s, and the starting word is the vowel, okay. E is the vowel, so we will combine both of the words, so that will be the les enfants, okay. Then it will be the le frère, the brother. La sœur, the sister. Le petit-fils, et le petite fille. Le petit-fils et le petite fille, okay. And the combination of both the words will be the les petits enfants. And the meaning of the les petits fils et la petite fille, that the meaning is that le petit fils is the grandson, okay, and the second one is the la petite fille, that will be the granddaughter, okay. The combination of both the words will be the son, and the daughter will be the and the combination of both the words will be the grandchildren, okay. Son and the daughter, grandson and the daughter will be the grandchildren, okay. So next will be the les beaux-parents, okay, parents-in-law. And the father-in-law will be the le beau-père. Mother-in-law will be the la belle-mère, okay. For the in-laws we use, for the male we use beau, and for the female we use belle, okay. For the in-laws, okay, okay. So that next will be the son-in-law will be le beau-fils, that can be also stepson, and the daughter-in-law or stepdaughter will be the la belle fille, okay. Then brother-in-law will be the le beau-frère, and sister-in-law will be the la belle-sœur. Then the uncle will be the l'oncle. L post of is the voyelle. So if you don't know that what are the vowels, you can watch the video, the day 1 of learning French A1 level, that I will mention in the card above, which you can watch that video and then come back here again. And la tante, it is the aunt, okay, the aunt. Le cousin, it is the masculine cousin, okay. And the la cousine, it will be the feminine for the cousin, okay, feminine. Le neveu, it will be the nephew, and for the boys or a male, okay. And la niece, niece, okay. In the English, la niece. In the French language we call it la niece. It is the feminine version in the French language for the niece, okay. So next is the le frère aîné, the elder brother, okay, le frère aîné. And the la sœur aînée, we will put the double e over here, okay, because it is the feminine, so it will be the elder sister, la sœur aînée. Le frère cadet, it is the younger brother, and the for the younger sister, it is the la sœur cadette, okay. For the brother we use cadet, and for the sister we use cadette, okay, cadette. So this is all over in the day 2 of learning French in 15 days A1 level. So before ending this video, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.